Welcome back. Since you're working with an HTML sales page, most of what you'll do is you may feel uncomfortable with certain things that are either left or right aligned, and you may want them to be center aligned. And there are very easy ways to do that. You can take any line and you can place a center code around it so that you can have your content centering. For example, by placing this center code at the beginning and end of all of these lines, what we've done is we've moved this content from the left to the center of this area. We can take any of the individual content. For example, we can take one line in this paragraph. We can note where it is in the code, and then we can place in our center code. Once we have our center code in, you'll notice that we have our content in the right place. We also have the appearance the way we want it. In most cases, your images will already be center aligned. You can see that here. If they weren't and we wanted to center them, we can use the same center code around images also. So whenever you have a preference for aligning things to the center, what you can do is you can find the area in the text, you can place your center code around it, and then you can move your text to the middle of the page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.